Everyone is using AI to code. It is fast and it can improve your code a lot. But sometimes that speed sneaks in brittle little things that only show up when a client is waiting or the sprint is closing. Today I'm going to show you how I find the AI written parts inside my Java files, then I humanize them so my team and my clients actually trust what ships. The video is supported by CodeSpy, a detector that highlights codes that looks AI generated, so you can focus your review where it matters. Let me show you on real code. Over here I have two short Java snippets ready. One is my clean baseline code that I have written, and one is ChatGPT generated, so it has that AI flavor. We will scan both with CodeSpy, look at what it flags, and then I will take a flagged method and make it production ready. I will also run a quick scan on a small folder so you see how this fits into a real project and why it saves time on pull requests. Here's why this matters. AI can accelerate you and also leave landmines. Outdated patterns that looked okay 2 years ago, error handling that hides failures, calls to database or services that do not exist anymore. Memory related issues that show up under load. If you can surface the AI looking parts early, you put your review energy where risk is higher. CodeSpy is a detector for developers, educators, and teams. It highlights sections of your source that look AI generated. It supports Java, Python, JavaScript, C#, and PHP. It is detection only, no rewrite, no magic fix button. So let's test the codes. The first one is going to be the code that I have written, and we are going to test it on CodeSpy. So here is the website CodeSpy.ai. I will leave the link of this website in the video description. Here you can check the homepage and you can see that they have a lot of users and themes. You can find tutorials here and everything you need. You have support also, and you will find the pricing. As you can see, the free has 3 AI scans per month. It has AI detection in Java, C#, Python, PHP, and JavaScript. It has consultant plan and small business. You can choose what fits to you and you can register. You can enter your name, email, password, create your account, and then you're going to log in. This is going to be the CodeSpy dashboard. Here you can find the report from previous AI scans, your projects that you are currently working on, and here you will find the AI scans remaining and your account info. So to create a new AI scan, you are going to click on this button here and we are going to enter our code. So first let's test our human code, so the code that I have written. And you're going to paste it here and you're going to select the type of code, which is Java, and you're going to analyze. After doing the analyze, it's 2 of 100, which means it's human written code. You will find the highlighted code, which is AI generated, which you can change later, but for this result 2 of 100 you don't have to change anything. Overall it's good. Now we are going to run the AI generated code. We're going to scan it, click on new AI scan again, and we are going to copy the code and paste it here, select Java and analyze, and as you can see it's 98 of 100 and it's mostly AI. So if you click on the code, here you'll see all the highlighted code, which you can change and humanize it. You can even choose files, which can be .zip, .java, so you can zip your entire project and you can enter it here. So this will allow you to scan all your files. So let's select these 3 files, upload and analyze. So here is the report for our project. And as you can see, most of the files are AI generated because I have used code from AI. Grab the link below if you want to try it on the next project. Comment for anything and don't forget to subscribe so I can catch you on the next video. Peace out.